Right.
If we test it successfully, we're gonna go higher to 26, 27,000. If we get stuck under, we're heading down to 21, 22.
Yep.
And that's basically, what we have in the Nasdaq. All right, let's jump over to Bitcoin. Key level we talked about last week, 108,
Hmm.
and we are below it now, and we pushed through it and made a lower low. So it's really going to come down to do we get bars starting to get stuck under here, or do we get bars like this that stay above, bars that stay above? Then we can head back up and test 119. But right now there's pressure. There's pressure on it. I was looking at the count. We did 106, which is close to a 108 low to high
Yep. Yep. That's
right
there.
there. Yep.
And
And
also, if this is a expanding triangle, now that we tapped the line, we ought to bounce and at least check the mid level, right?
yeah, at
Before.
least right up in
Yeah.
here somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
115,
Okay.
116, 117, that area. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly's
Let's
on a
look at that.
critical spot too.
Hmm.
Dancing with the half square. Um,
Weekly doesn't
again,
look that good.
no, no, no. This 108 is key. I mean, the high came in perfectly, right? Right on the full square, 216 up. And now we come down and we're testing here. If we get stuck under, it opens up 89,000. So that this straddling this will keep the suspense going, and then you have to see which way we clear first.
Right.
Let's take a quick look at the monthly, which the bar turned super ugly. Just 2 weeks ago, we were all up here, it was a big green candle, and now look where we are. We're below the full square,
Hmm.
and we've got a red candle. Here, 112 key. Weekly, you saw 108. Daily, you saw around 107, 108. So it's right in that, 107 to 112 area. We got to really watch these closes and see how it goes. But if it's below those levels, there's going to be pressure. There's going to be pressure on Bitcoin. And maybe it's rolling over with gold and with silver because all of them have had a great run this year, and maybe they're all rolling over together. We'll see. All right, let's go look at the commodities. Only have two to talk about today, and it's going to be pretty quick, but let's go to corn first. Why have I put corn up? We were going down and we thought we were doing this ABCD, and then we did a little false break here. See that false break?
Yep.
Reversed pretty hard off of it the last 3 days. Now we haven't taken out this high yet. That's the thing we want to watch early this week. Can we get some follow through, take out that high, and then go up and challenge the half squared here at 446? That taking out these highs, which let's see where those are, around 431 would be really bullish because then that would give us, a high, a higher low, and a higher high. And then we can go up here and challenge the half square. Then we want to see if we can sit on top of it.
Right.
I'll also show you the weekly really quickly. The monthly's not much to see.
That was a
Monthly's,
beautiful false break, by the way.
it was nice, wasn't it?
Hmm.
And here, the reason I wanted to show you this is we're holding this full square level, the 104, 104 degrees up. We're holding that, with the last 3 weeks bars closing on the high. So it may be building the energy to push. And the push on the daily would be what we want to see of taking out these highs here. So it's nothing super exciting, nothing to do yet, but if we take that out and then can get things momentum kicking in, it could be exciting here because this could be the first push, the second, and then potentially, catching a strong third wave.